playoff games. Louis-Felix Charrois thrust into action back in game one after Riley Mercer got banged up and was forced to leave. Back out here for game three as we are underway, and right off the hop, the Mooseheads will get this one in deep as Sean Carrier lays the body on Besnier. It's going to be knocked down over the corner here in the Drummondville end. And be gathered up down there by Besnier. He'll play it up the left wing boards, gets it out to neutralize. And Brady Schultz will send it right back in. Charrois coming out to handle it. He's going to move it now for Marc-Olivier Beaudry. Only played a few minutes back in game one. Took the warm up in game two. Was a help. The OT hero for the Mooseheads in that one. Danny Walters. He's going to take this face off now for the Herd. That one will be one. Quick shot there. That one fired on it. A little piece of it will cause it to deflect up time, and he was there and kept the Mooseheads alive in it and rewarded him with an early goal. Opening minute of that third period. So did have an opening minute goal in period one as Oliver fires one right out. Big save. LaRose takes a swat at it. Steinman will shut the door right there. A little top heavy here. They rely a lot on some of those big boys. They have split up. Oliver, Woodworth, Gauthier. Oliver on a different line as we get a shot there right off the hop from Brunet. He'll lob it on, and that's another win. Sylvain Favreau going with 11 forwards and 7 defense tonight. I mentioned off the top, Marc-Olivier Beaudry. He has been dealing with something over the last couple of weeks. Missed some action in the final weekend of the season and only played about 5-6 minutes, I'd say, in that first game on Friday night, and took the warm-up on Saturday and didn't end up playing. This puck knocked out the center. Up ahead, Kilfoyle will come with it. Just guides it down to the corner. He'll head after it down there. Adam Cavalin taking a bump from Sean Carrier. Good battle down low. It's Carrier coming away with control now for the Herd. He'll steer it up top to Handel. Carlos Handel across to Brady Schultz. Throws it down toward the front. It got knocked down to the way, and Cavalin will send it out to neutralize. Brady Schultz trying to get a pass through, but send it to the skates there of Emilio Santini. Sam Oliver takes a hit, knocked over at the Mooseheads bench, but did dump it in. Carlos Handel will quickly work it up ahead now for Sean Carrier. Carrier fires one, but that puck will just kind of deflect off of Beaudry up three now with a couple of cross checks. And Quinn Kennedy as those two tie up way back out at neutralize. Just slowing up down behind that Drummondville net. It was Brunet. He'll leave it here as Pache drops it off, left it. Brunet up ahead to Gauthier. That time it's Handel. Getting a stick at Gauthier, poked it away. Brady Schultz in control now, trying to lob one up that left wing for O'Coin, but that pass not quality. And he's just another one of those examples. Guys who really found a way to elevate their game. He's been laying it all on the line here throughout the series so far. Off this draw, Kingsley will sling that puck wide of the net. Brady Schultz heads after it. He'll tie up there along the wall with Ethan Gauthier. Good battle there along the boards as that will continue. Gauthier is factored in on every Drummondville goal so far in this series. Patrick McNabb up the left wing for Nasruddin. Nasruddin looking for O'Coin out there at neutralize. He'll head after this one, and we get a collision down there in the corner. But that sends them over to the Western Conference. The team that finished last in the, eighth in the East, Quebec Ramparts, stuck with the Moncton Wildcats, the team who ended the season on a 15-game win streak. Moose clearing that puck all the way back down into the Volts end right off of that draw. Besnier down there after it. Keeps it back, pressed in deep, and now Beaudry is going to get pressured down there by Santini. Beaudry trying to push Santini off the puck. A little bit tentative right there. Did Beaudry again mention he's a guy that he's been dealing with something lately. Handel will send that one up that right wing side. Carrier will chip it in. It's going to be halted back of the net by Charrois, and Rotondi now will dish off to Beauchamp, trying to clear it out. On it is Renaud Poulin. He'll drop it off, and it's going to be shoveled wide of the net by Barry. Tracks it down. Beauchamp tangling up down there with Braden McPhee. Puck work back to the point. A shot lobbed on, and Steinman reaches up. Exactly what he does. That's makes him pretty effective. Big part of his game. Again, he mentioned it quite a few times here. Those first couple of games, he runs hot, and that certainly seems to be when he's playing his best, when he's getting under the skin of his opponents, but so much skill as well. Carlos Handel down behind the Mooseheads goal. Up that right wing. He'll hand it off to Fontaine. Antoine Fontaine drives his way up ice across center. Flips one down, and he'll force Charrois against the Mooseheads back in January 9th. Thought it would be the last time that he would ever set foot in this rink. Thought it would be his last game in his home province, but obviously with the way the playoffs worked out, he's really looking forward to being back here. In sections 18 and 19, we know we got a large contingent from the South Shore who will be crossing their fingers that he'll be okay. There's a pass up ahead. Callum O'Coin got a little piece of it. Patrick McNabb will take it back down low here in the Mooseheads and left it for Brady Schultz, who will hand off now to his partner, Carlos Handel, across center. Now he's got the blue line with speed down that right wing. Rounding the net, Handel up top to Schultz. Brady Schultz threw it toward the front. That was off a leg on the way. McNabb for Nazardine. Trying to absorb some contact there as he collided with Adam Kavalin, who knocks him over. Sam Oliver in possession for the Volts. So get it up to neutralize. Schultz will force it back in. Matteo Rotondi up that left wing side. It's off the stick of Oliver. Brady Schultz has got control now. The captain down that right wing trying to center one. Unable to get a stick on that one. It's going to be picked out and it'll roll back down into the Drummondville end. And it's Besnier back to gather this one up. French import. He'll carry it out through neutral ice. Short feed there to Gauthier. He's going to hit Oliver with that pass. Dropped off now. LaRose walking in. Cuts at the goal line. Sends it back up top. And now worked across Besnier to Gauthier. Over to Woodworth here along the half wall on the right wing side. And a quick pass there. Bumper. O'Stuyven reaching out. Keep that out. This one's going to get knocked over the point, but not out. Besnier for Woodworth. Up top. Oliver fires it. And putting the body on the line right there. Lincoln Waugh. Big time block as the Mooseheads centered in. It's Brayton McPhee after it now. Will take a hit down there in the corner to Kingsley and try to kind of swing that one back in. Santini got a stick on it. He'll clear it out with 10 seconds left on that delay game penalty to Brady Schultz, the Moose. As Poulin enters now with perfect 4 for 4 on the PK. In this series so far, it's going to be worked back toward the point to Kingsley. Kingsley sends it across. Brunet for Poulin. Down toward the corner it's worked. It's Nathan Barry after it down there. He'll take a bump. Carlos Handel coming away with control for the Mooseheads back of the net. Flips one up ahead here for Kennedy. Looks cross-ice to Schultz. Brady Schultz will drive his way in. And lost an edge right there as that puck gets knocked up and out. 5:48 left in this first period. Luke for the front of the goal. Carrier looking for a redirect. It's going to get knocked around. Ty Farrer, good effort to keep it alive. Sends it back down low, and it's loose down here in the corner. Carrier, he'll flip it out for Kennedy. Quinn Kennedy now. And that one knocked away by Woodworth. He's got possession. He'll cut back down at his own end. 4:35 left in this first period. Drummondville up 1-0. Woodworth across center, throws it down towards Steinman. He'll leave it at the side. And Brady Schultz works it back around. Antoine Fontaine on it now. He'll take a bump along the boards as Schultz will try to spring Fontaine out through center. He'll dump it down over the corner and chase after it down there. Tassé will rim this one around. McPhee will knock it back down low. It's gathered up here by Fontaine. Up top to Schultz, the left point. Across the Handel, back to Schultz. Brady Schultz threw it toward the front. And reaching for the tip was Fontaine, who didn't quite get what he wanted on that one. Handel back in his own end. Played it back up that right wing side, but the Volts will break it up, and Tassé will force it across the blue line. Big hit there from Handel as he throws his weight around. That puck knocked out to center. He worked across by Rotondi to Simon Pierre Brunet, and he'll give it right back to his partner. Rotondi, Newfoundland native. First round pick at Drummondville back in 2021. He'll take it for a dash up ice. He's across the blue line, entering down the left wing. Low shot, big rebound. Popping out, and a big opportunity there. LaRose, pardon me, is set puck knocked away. And now Handel looking for it. It's Dumont that'll come away with it. Trying to leave it here for Kingsley. Kingsley will rim it down toward the corner for Oliver. That'll lead to a battle along the boards. Nazardine knocked it up ahead here for McNabb. Patrick McNabb down that left wing side for Nazardine. Lets it go in tight. Good opportunity right there for Alec Nazardine. Oliver, he's in transition. He'll carry this one down into the Mooseheads end. Punch it across the line. Boisson up top. That was thrown over the front of the net. Fletcher knocked it down. Great pass ahead for O'Going. A shot. That one fought off by the shoulder of Charrois. Terrific feed. John Carrier. He'll send it cross ice. Looking for Kilfoyle. And that'll get knocked out of the corner. And Rotondi hit down there and Kilfoyle. Rotondi comes away with it. He'll hand off now for Boisson. He's got Schultz stepping up on him. Big hit there from Brady Schultz down in front of the benches. Both teams are in the midst of a change. Carlos Handel, he'll play it back now to Schultz. Schultz up the right wing. Fontaine looks rink wide. Kalen Blake, he's got it. Blake on the attack. Dishes off, and he's trying to move it there for Fontaine, who was racing to get into the play, but just couldn't find control of it, couldn't get the handle on it. Played out to center now. LaRose in transition. Schultz plays him hard off. Great play by Brady Schultz. He knocks over Justin LaRose, and that'll draw some cheers here at the Scotiabank Center. Beaudry back up that left wing. It was flipped down into the Mooseheads end. O'Coin on it. Looked in that first little clear attempt, but did knock it out on the second effort. Rotondi pressured so far in this one. He's out here to square up against Liam Kilfoyle, who had the OT winner against Drummondville in Game 2. And Kilfoyle will win that faceoff right there. That's been easy to do against Woodworth in this series. He's been real good in the faceoff circle. This puck will get knocked down over the corner here in the Drummondville end as Kilfoyle took a bump from Beaudry. Woodworth able to grab it, played it off to Alicia. He got it out to neutralize. Carlos Handel will fire it right back in on Charwa. He'll toss it aside to Alicia as he gets pressed by Santini. It's sent up the right wing. And the Mooseheads apply a little bit of pressure, but it's Woodworth in to grab a hold of it. He will bank it off the wall, get it out to Alicia. Trying to spring Gauthier, but that one poked away, and Brady Schultz will guide it up the wall. Emilio Santini across center. He will dump it and head off for a change. Beaudry, he's got possession now back of the net. Beaudry up that rear. He's got control as he works it off. It's flipped out by the Moose. Scooped up back in the Drummondville end by Rotondi. He'll partner it off to Brunet up the right wing. It's knocked into Moose territory. Lincoln Waugh without a stick. Handle over there to help him as he tried to apply a little bit of a pick right there to provide Handel some support. It's Quinn Kennedy after it now. Get tangled up and get tripped up there as he twisted with Barry. Snapped on Rotondi. Loose in front. Big save there by Steinman as Barry took a swat at it from in tight. He's got it again. Back to the line. Heavy drive. That one ripped wide. And it's just kind of leaning into it was Brunet. It pops out to center. Rotondi. Let's throw it cross ice. Brunet up that right wing. Barry will try to dump it in, but Handel was there to seal the wall. We'll get a battle along the boards. Mooseheads come away with control. It's played off. Lincoln Waugh up ahead. Moser will get a stick on it, or perhaps not. In Quinn Kennedy. Patrick McNabb 2 for 4 in the face-off circle. Is top of that draw. The Moose coming away with it. Waugh couldn't get it out though. Vesnier kept it alive. Trying to get it toward the front, and that one knocked down by Steinman. The Mooseheads will get it out to center now. Quinn Kennedy over the red line. He'll dump it in. Tremblay is going to retrieve it down here as McNabb applies pressure on him. He'll give him a Fletcher. He was looking up ahead. That's off a Volt stick. It'll end up down to the Drummondville corner. Rotondi partnering it off for Brunet. Brunet, he was feeling a little bit of heat there from Kilfoyle, but did move that puck to LaRose. LaRose will play it off now to Brunet, and he'll slap it wide of the net. That puck will carry him out. It ends up out at neutralized, and now LaRose, he was getting pressured. And knocked over. Plays so far in this game. And Kilfoyle, little tip on the way. Fletcher had that great pass to Callum O'Coin to spring him back in the first period as well. Again, called up, played just 4 games for the Mooseheads as an affiliate this year. With the Valley Wildcats. There's his shot. It's going to be snapped toward the front of the net. Lincoln Waugh putting one on, and that'll be late January, early February. Didn't play a whole lot at all, but with Eddie Doyle going down late in the season, Waugh draws back in, and again, he's been terrific for the Mooseheads in the postseason so far. This puck will be sent down into Halifax territory. Waugh plays it off the boards. Woodworth kept that one in. Now he worked it back to Dumas. He had it knocked away. Picked up here by Quinn Kennedy. Up ahead to Walters. Walters will flip that down over the corner. Moser will head after it, battling. It's Besnier on the ice along with Antoine Fontaine. Brayton McPhee will center those two. All 3 guys with goals for the Mooseheads in this series. Like Antoine Fontaine with some big third period goals for the Mooseheads to tie the game up at 2 back in Friday night, and then McPhee gave the team the go-ahead lead early in the third period on Saturday in Game 2. The puck will be knocked in by Fontaine. Netminder will come out to play it when rimmed around by Charrois. Oliver's going to get pressed by Handel. McPhee battles down low, and Gaudreau gets in his pack. Tremblay trying to work it up the right wing boards. It comes free, and that'll be thrown wide of the net by Blake. McPhee after the loose puck. He'll send it back down here. Fontaine lets it go for Blake. He got knocked over by Tremblay. And now stabbed at by LaRose. Knocks it back down here for Tremblay. He plays it off for Gaudreau. Blake causing some problems. Kavalin's going to bounce down into Moose territory as he was busting up ice. Nasreddine across center. He will dump it in. It's retrieved down low by Jan Gaudreau. The Moose going to get some fresh legs out here with Kilfoyle, Carrier, and Santini up front. Puck sent down to the Mooseheads end. Handel around for Schultz. And just couldn't quite corral that puck. Handel will send it to open ice now for the Mooseheads captain. He'll snap it up that left wing side. And it was played toward the middle for Santini, but intercepted. Woodward forced back. Santini was after it, but it's broken up at the line. And Boisson back the other way. Santini, good stick. Schultz will give David Boisson a bump down there in the corner. That'll free up the puck for Handel. Carlos Handel. He'll dish it off now to Aucoin. Callum Aucoin dropping it off to Handel. He shoveled it toward the net on the backhand. Charrois makes the save. Kilfoyle's on it now. Up to Schultz. Ripped on. Oh, just fought off by Charrois. He played back toward the point, and Handel not there to keep it alive. Out at neutralized now. He's trying to fend off Alicia. Then Barry took a run at Carlos Handel as he was heading off. Slowing up back. Would have been about 20 seconds earlier, but there was a lengthy review after it was determined that Justin LaRose had pushed Braden McPhee into Jacob Steinman. So big roller coaster of emotion there, ups and downs for the Drummondville faithful at the Marcel Dion Center on Saturday night. But they did get a goal to force overtime. Quinn Kennedy's going to get knocked over out at neutral ice. And fans want to call. They're not going to get it. Beaudry will play it up ahead here for LaRose. Carlos Handel will gather this one up as the Mooseheads get possession back. It's going to get flipped out. Brunet, he will head after it. And Kilfoyle with a bump there on Brunet. Now thrown over the front. It pops out. A shot. Oh, what a chance right there for Cade Moser. That one might have caught a little bit of post as well after Charrois to get a piece. But my goodness, what an opportunity right there. Hit this Carlos Handel, the body of Nathan Barré, but it's knocked out to neutralize. And now the puck fired on by Oliver, racing after that rebound. Steinman takes a swat. He'll lose his stick in the process. And now knocked away. Played up ahead, Santini for Danny Walters. Walters going to get it back to Santini, but puck kind of bobbling on him. Just kind of sent that back in behind Santini. Is knocked away by Woodward. We got to just swat at it with the glove. Kennedy continuing to press. Mooseheads, they're buzzing right now. It's tossed out front. It was off a Sherwood. Blake spins, and that's off a body. Rolling puck toward the line. Kalen Blake on it. Flips it. That one's sent wide. Picked up here along the wall by Kennedy. Mooseheads, they're pressing. Schultz to Handel. His shot was blocked by Alicia, and now Handel and Alicia. They'll tie up. Handel taken down right there. A great rush up ice for the captain, Brady Schultz. Drops it off the Kilfoyle, walking in! Loose puck at the side, and that one will be whacked away as back the other way the Volts come. Oh, terrific action right now. And Brady Schultz poking it away from Poulin. Carlos Handel, he's going to lead the attack. Gets it across the blue line. Takes it in deep. Centers it out front. And everyone will have to back off right now as Poulin gets control of it. He'll take it back up ice in transition and tries to center it out front. And that one will be played a little bit out of the reach. Just in transition now the other way. End-to-end action. Santini trying to drive this way to the net. He got upended. Get two Moosehead. Luke Woodworth scored the lone goal of the game. Drummondville on top, 1-0. Face-off will be to Charrois' right. And off the draw, it's Brunet on it. Trying to get it off the glass and out. Kept in, thrown wide. And after it here, Kilfoyle taking a bump, sent it down low. Carrier, he swept it around. Kennedy, good effort down there. Was able to poke that one away from Oliver. Carlos Handel trying to knock it back down the boards, but Cavillon sealed the wall. Schultz lays a big hit there on LaRose, getting a good chunk of him. And now Kilfoyle for Kennedy. Kennedy slows up, surveys, trying to flip a pass through for Carrier, and a risky play right there as he wanted to return it for Kennedy. LaRose able to jab it out. Handel now, he will dish off to Schultz, up ahead to Kennedy. Quinn Kennedy, off ice, drives it in. He'll slow up, back to the line to Phillips. It's trailing the Bolts, 1-0 through 40 minutes of play as we get set for puck drop and action back up and running. Great push in the late going to that second period for the Mooseheads, who really had the Bolts through some third stretches on their heels. Alicia trying to send one out front. That got picked off by Carrier. He'll play it up ahead to Kennedy. Banks it off the boards. McPhee, he'll give chase after it. After it down low. Take a little shove down there for Besnier. Pushes him off the puck. And it's Woodworth in possession. Now he'll hand off the Beaudry. Partnered off to Besnier. And Besnier will send it up that left wing side. As Alicia going to cross the line, but Handel played him well. Carlos Handel gets control back here for the Mooseheads. The puck's gets swung around here for Schultz, and Brady Schultz across center. He'll rip it in. Loose to the side of the net down here in the Drummondville end. Beaudry gives Len. It's sent aside by Charrois. Oliver back to provide some support. And Sam Oliver will leave it down there for Matteo Rotondi. It's banked back over here to Simon Pierre Brunet. Up ahead, it's work to LaRose. Left side. Up the wing to Cavillon off of his stick. He'll give chase after it. Carlos Handel gave him a little bump. Lincoln Waugh knocking it up the left wing boards. Kingsley kept it alive. For Cavillon, fired it on. And a big rebound popping out there as Kingsley pinches in, threw it in front. Handel got a stick on it. Knocked up ahead now for Moser. Cade Moser just lost control of that one as he was starting to accelerate. Waugh will bump with Cavillon right there at the Mooseheads blue line. Carlos Handel, he'll leave it now to Lincoln Waugh. Up the left wing to Moser. Cade Moser across center. He's going to dump that one in. And Jan Gaudreau gives chase to Beaudry. Puck bouncing on him. He'll settle it down. Plays it off the end boards to Besnier. Back to Beaudry. Olivier Beaudry up ahead to Gauthier. Ethan Gauthier right down the middle. Now drives wide on the right side. Schultz gives him a shot. It's going to be thrown through the blue paint by Woodworth. And it's loose now in the slot. Jabbed at by Schultz. He's able to stab that puck out to neutralize. Besnier to Beaudry. Up ahead for Alicia. Pressured by Carlos Handel. Good defensive work there from Handel as Schultz comes in like a wrecking ball. And Mooseheads are able to get it out to center, but not for long. Besnier will chop it back in as he turns for a change. Time he'll hand it off to Schultz, and it's partnered off to Carlos Handel. Right back to Schultz, but a little bit out of his reach. And LaRose will play it up top to Brunet. Over to Rotondi. His shot off body. That one will ricochet down low. Oliver after it here for Drummondville. Takes it up high, drops it off, and Rotondi will a short pass, but a good stick from Kilfoyle. Kills that play and forces the Bolts back into their own end. But he went down. Now Dumont, he'll get pressed. Moosehead's able to force it out. It's going to roll back down to the Drummondville end. On it back here, Beaudry fires a pass up the left wing. Poulin will slow up, plays it up top. Beaudry worked across to Besnier, walking in, rips one, and that'll deflect wide. With the body in front, Kennedy sent it out to center. Looked like he was eyeing Carrier right there, but it was a little bit out of his reach. And fired right back into the Mooseheads end. Carlos Handel for Brady Schultz back at the goal. He'll angle it back to Handel, but Barry causes some issues. Broken up, trying to knock it out front. Kilfoyle whacked it down, and now Kennedy will give it right back to Kilfoyle. Approaching center, he's got it. He'll dump it in. Beaudry on it now for Drummondville. Up the right wing, he tries to work it. Pass doesn't connect, though. Lincoln Waugh will snap it over in the direction of Carlos Handel, and those two will shift here. Carlos Handel now, he'll get going. Skates this one up ahead. He's got the blue line now. Fires one toward the front. Puck will get sent wide. It's picked up here by Beauchamp. He tried to dump it in. Lincoln Waugh knocked that one down. Handel now for Sean Carrier. He's going to charge this way in with speed down that left wing. Threw it on, and Charrois gets a piece as Barry will Take a war right now. Face-off coming up down here in the Mooseheads end. We got 11:48 left in the clock in the third period. Off that draw, Mooseheads have got control. Schultz will play it off the end boards to Fontaine. Fontaine will snap that one all the way back down into the Drummondville end. 52.1% during the regular season. Tough go in Quebec. You saw that percentage drop to just 31, but he said get control off of that draw. It's cleared out here by Schultz, and Kalen Blake unable to dump it in. Off the body, knocked back the other way. Alicia with some speed now coming in. He'll throw it out front. Taking a swing at that one was Gauthier, but didn't find the handle on it. Now Brady Schultz in transition the other way. The captain down the left wing side. Drops it off to Blake. A shot. That one taking a little redirect off of Brunet. It was kicked out. Rimmed back down in the Drummondville end. Beaudry will come back to retrieve it. Olivier Beaudry's a regular. This is the most we've seen from him in the series so far. Again, was shut down with only minimal minutes. And Friday night in game one, ricocheted puck will deflect off a stick. Not carrying over here to this second period. Holtz out shooting the Moose so far 7-1 for just over half of this final frame. Mooseheads down 2-0. Luke Woodward's got both goals. Kennedy's going to get it in deep. He'll try to knock it around here for Carrier. Brady Schultz pitches in. Olivier Beaudry comes away, but turn that one over to Kennedy. Up top to Handel. Handel at the right point. He'll snap this one back and around. Brady Schultz gives chase after it. He'll send it down toward the corner. Beaudry, he's on it. He'll take a bump there from Carrier. And in possession now, Dumont. Dumont up ice, trying to drive wide. Threw it in front. A couple of opportunities there. That second one will be steered away by Steinman after LaRose put it on. Carlos Handel now. He'll hand off to Quinn Kennedy across center, trying to dump it in, but it's trying to get a pass off. Good stick from Danny Walters. We'll keep that one in deep. Walters is going to head after it down here in the corner. He'll just leave it there for Moser, who battles with LaRose. Moser tripped up, and we got a penalty coming up. Our first of the game. Carlos Handel. He'll walk in, but that was poked away by Cavill. Worked it around the Beaudry. Played out to neutralize. Taillefer will try to dump it back in. And a second effort there. Both times knocked down by Beaudry. He'll partner it off to Besnier. Up ahead to Alicia. Jesse Alicia down that right wing. Nifty move. And he can't tuck that one home. Steinman will extend that glove. Handle now. He's going to try to carry it up ice. Drops it off for Taillefer. Mathieu Taillefer up ahead to Aucoin. Callum Aucoin across the line. Takes a hit. Threw that one out there for Santini. Santini was pressured by Jan Gaudreau. Now Ethan Gauthier. He'll take a shot from Santini down low. 3:55 remains here in the third period. Mooseheads down 2-0. Handel. That shot was off the body. It's left here to Aucoin. And he has his stick poked at. Doesn't get that one up. Sent back down to the Mooseheads end. Carlos Handel is after it. Going to play it back over there to Schultz. Oliver got a stick on it. Handel will try again. Sends that one up ahead. McPhee hustles after it. Charrois out to cut it off back of the net. Charrois able to move it there for Kingsley. And at the line, 27 left here in this third period. Not sure what's happening in the crowd, but on the ice, time starting to tick down here for the Mooseheads. Jacob Steinman off to the bench, and extra attacker now out here for the Moose. We need a couple. It's going to be banked off the boards, but not out. That was kept in. Schultz down here for Carrier. Back of the net, trying to fend off Brunet. He'll move it to McPhee. Up top, Handel. Over to Schultz. Brady Schultz threw it down over the front. That was blocked, knocked down. Empty netter. It's sent just wide by Woodward. That Schultz hustles back here to Charrois' left. Off of that draw. This guy's tying up there. Carrier, he's on it down behind the Drummondville net. Played off to Kennedy. Quinn Kennedy now for Schultz. Back to Kennedy. And net empty for the Mooseheads. Brady Schultz over to Carlos Handel. Back to Schultz, center point. Quinn Kennedy taking a look here to Schultz. Threw it toward the front. That was off the stick. Deflects toward the corner. Carrier will knock it down low for Kilfoyle. Kilfoyle looking for an option, finds it in Handel. Center point to Schultz, left side Kennedy walks in, rips one in. They score! Quick! Made this a one-goal game once again. 2:18 still remains. Jacob Steinman, he's lined up out around the hash marks, that slot areas. The Mooseheads control off of that try. Handel's going to dump it in. Steinman's going to look to the bench, but he's going to have to back off right now. Can't get out. It's cleared out and sent back down at the Mooseheads' end of the rink. Oliver tied up down there with Handel. McPhee trying to fend off Oliver. That puck popped out off the stick of LaRose. Handles quickly on it. Sends it up ahead here for Kilfoyle. He's going to flip it down into the Drummondville end. Took a bump there. It's cleared out to neutralize once again. So Steinman still not able to get off. Moose just can't get that puck in deep. And now it's knocked away by LaRose off the stick of Schultz. LaRose down that right wing. Hands it off. A shot. They score. Sam Oliver.